Hello everyone, so I'm here in Perdices Street, Dumaguete City guys. So and also guys, natali at pang sa maya Cebu Pacific Building, then Willa's Beauty Studio guys, and CNL Sites in Lopez. So na po ito ang LBC, Hari ng Padala, look guys. Agit taga pedestrian lane guys. So traffic guys ha. Traffic diri sa may dalan Perdices guys. Under repairing, under construction ang kampanaryo diri sa may Cathedral Church, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental guys. No?
Ara, human, dali ra ba?
So natadri sa may Cathedral St. Catherine of Alexandria, Diocese of Dumaguete City o Catholic Church in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental guys. Look. Rap, nga po Rap.
Hello.
Hello. Shout out Rap. Rap guys nga taga poblasyon uno tinago Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental.